let's head on to Sir Raymond Pagaching. With this question, tell us about your dynamics with Lorna and Donnie, since family mo sila in the series. How is it working alongside respected veterans such as yourself, LT, Janice, and Joel?
Oh, it's a great honor for me to be working with them, all of them. It's a given. Janice, Joel, it's Miss LT. You know, they're greats in the industry, as Kyle said. The honor is deep, really deep. I mean, actually, while nasa shooting kami, pag ako nakabalik na sa hotel ko, I'm watching their movies. Sa YouTube, I watched your movies, and Joel Torres' movie. I watched Oro Plata Mata. I checked out Donnie's work. I checked out Kyle's work. I actually checked out almost every cast work. Kasi nung umpisa, I have no time to really bond with them. Kasi nasa character ako eh. And I'm like, ang daming cast. 40, how will I get to know them? So I watched each and every scene. I would tell Harvey, hey Harvey, I watched one of your scenes and I really enjoyed your intensity and all that. And I even know most of their birthdays for some reason. So yes, I checked them out on Google. Oh, yung birthday niya ganito. Oh,
Sir Raymond,
Sagittario siya.
baka mag-expect yung cast members nyo pag birthday nila, wala kayong regalo.
Bigla ako nakalimutan.
Nasabi niyo yan.
Ano nga pala yung birthday niyo? Yeah, but I'm really very honored. Yung dynamics, I want to talk about dynamics with Lorna because pinanonood ko siya and I'm like, grabe itong actress na to. Very truthful. She did a movie, hindi ko lang maalala yung pangalan, pero hindi siya masyadong sasalita. Makapal pa yung kilay niya nun. Pero cute, maganda siya. At ganda talaga siya. At sobrang hindi siya nagsasalita. Ang lakas ng gusto niyang ipahiwatig. So I was blown away. I'm like, oh my God, I have to take this away from my mind para lang makapag-eksena ako sa kanila ng maayos. Same with Janice. You know, Janice is such a legend also. And Joel, you know, actually I won an award from a scene with Joel with Marludes Abaya, and I give it to Joel for that scene. It's very quiet, but he looked at me and he said, let's do this scene, and it worked, and we were both crying. So I know I'm taking so much time, but I'm in awe of all of them. And then Donnie and Kyle, of course, at first, syempre naiilang sila sa akin. I have that tendency na when I'm on a set, medyo hindi ako makapaglaro with others hanggang hindi ko nakukuha yung character ko, hindi ko naiintindihan. So alam ko, nakatingin na sila sa akin, medyo seryoso to. But at the same time, I like it kasi nakita nila talaga yung character na meet nila. Hindi nila ako nami-meet. Kung di ba kaya magtawanan na lang kami pag nakilala nila ako ng gusto eh. You know? So, I'm trying to keep my personal self away kasi baka matuwa na sila ng matuwa, di ba? But I saw in their eyes, I know, please, you know, indulge me, ang lalalim nila. Ang lalalim ng pakiramdam nila, ang lalalim ng, with the word, yung pag-arok nila sa mga emosyon. Si Donnie is, he stays in his corner and he really feels everything. I can feel him, he can feel me. And sa akin, ang habol ko, mag-connect na tayo sa mata. Magkakilala tayo sa mata kaya sa true character. I'll get to know you, you'll get to know me. And si Kyle, ganun din, malalim din tumingin and observe. And I'm very happy to see that kind of connection. I'm obsessed with that kind of connection. So, I'm honored to be here with everybody. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Actually, it sets the tone. Taking your personality out of the scene first para malagay mo yung character mo. Para pagdating doon, everyone's prepped up, no? But
Yes,
talking
yes,
about,
yes.
you know...
As I think Donnie mentioned that sometimes dahil kami lang nandun sa bubble, talaga nagiging method actors na talaga. Pumapasok na lahat dun sa characters. Often on screen, you know.
But it's so hard to, you know, meet someone eye to eye. Because looking at the series, nakita lang yung mata ni Donnie tsaka ni Kyle, may buong episode na nagawa, may backstory na. Ang dami na nalukay. Isang tingin na, no? 6 years na flashback na pala yun. ang dami na nakuha, napakahusay na pagtingin ng eye to eye. Kaya I really get your point. Sir Raymond, na pag nakita kayo eye to eye, medyo mahirap eh. Kasi ang dami bumabalik na mga memories and feelings and all. That's right. Okay. Moving on to a more sensible topic. Sir Albert Bryan of the Chicanes has a question for Maymay and Trata. What kind of action should we expect from your character considering that you're playing a chef? Interesting.
Kuya, isa pa nga. It's very,
Okay, sige.
it's very fast.
What kind of action should we expect from your character
Okay po.
considering that you're playing a chef? In English, please.
So, I'm a sous chef.
So chef.
Can you guys just accept it?
Yes. Kaya
Don't
nagsimula sa so, okay? As a so chef.
Yes. Hindi, so kung nakikita niyo po sa mga BTS ko, tsaka yung mga ibang clips po na gumagamit na ako ng knife talaga. So yung expertise ko talaga is knife po. So, marami pa kayong makikita na action scenes na yun yung gamit ko po, weapon.
Is that Pikiti? Tama ba yung term or...
Anong PKT ah? Hello Kitty ang alam.
Sorry. May PKT kasi na,
Okay.
na term for knife fighting.
Okay.
Pero yung Hello Kitty,
Pero
baka
kasi,
pwede rin.
pero kasi di ba kuya survival to eh. So kahit anong kutsilyo, mahawa ko.
Ay, grabe, matalim. Jim Maymay. Okay, from social media, Direk Lau, how did you prepare Donnie and Kyle for their action scenes?
Actually, hindi ako nag-prepare yung action choreographer. Trabaho kasi ni Erwin Tagle. So, silang dalawa nag-immerse kay Erwin, siguro before ng shooting namin. Ayun, sa behind the scenes nakikita naman yung mga ginawa nila. So, nang nasa set na, pinapakita nila yung mga action sequence na routine. No?
Yeah.
So, me as a director, titingnan ko, ano ko na lang siya. Kung anong location, doon na yung magti-tweak na lang ng konti doon in terms of movement, kung ano yung sipaan ba to, hand combat ba to, so barilan ba yan. So, doon na lang yung adjustments. So, basically, si Erwin Tate talaga yung nagturo sa akin.
Yeah. Direk, during the workshop, if you may, nila Donnie and Kyle, deliberate ba yung pag-edit ng mga bullets, pati yung action scenes para makita as a preview? Kasi ang ganda na agad eh, akala ko parte ng eksena eh.
Actually, si Erwin yun. Siya yung nag-shoot, siya din nag-edit.
Wow.
Galing niya.
Galing niya.
Ang galing.
Kasi trip niya lang gawin yun. And then ipapakita na sa amin sa set.
Kakaibang trip yan, ha?
Trip talaga.
Maganda, okay. Maraming salamat. Okay, Sir Nathan. Sir Nathan, there's a question for you. The story is very intriguing. Bakit hostage-taking crisis ang napiling i-highlight for this type of action series?
We really wanted to come up with a story na it's about friendship kasi, about people coming together. And kung napansin niyo from all walks of life. So, we had to devise a situation where it's kind of a powder keg situation na everybody's there and sukol na kayo and you have nobody to rely on but each other. So, we felt that it's the perfect scenario for a story like that.
And then biglang sasabog na
Yes,
lang.
sasabog.
Yung mga, not just the characters, but the whole scene as well, no? Oh, beautiful writing. Thank you for making that. To Harvey, Emilio, and Lou. Okay, this series has a good batch of young rising stars. Kamusta ang dynamics nyo with one another sa mga eksena nyo rito? Harvs?
Hindi, ayun. It's Hello, Mike, kasi ako eh.
Sorry.
It's good na all of us know each other na. Going, before getting into set. Tapos, doing all the scenes. Kasi yun nga, very distinct yung characters namin from each other. And alam namin if we're in conflict or kung friends ba kami or what. So, going to set with, knowing that, tas hanging outside of set. Kumbaga parang napoprotect namin yung dynamics namin in character and outside. We have this understanding na, okay, we're not working. Tayo muna, Harvey
Professional,
muna,
okay.
alam mo yun, we can have fun, like
Yeah.
Sir Joel said. But pagdating sa set, seryoso lahat. Professional talaga lahat. Pag in character na po si Sir Joel as Uno, tahimik. Everyone listens to him. Everyone pays attention. So it's nice to have that environment, especially in we are working with icons. And I tell Sir Joel every day that it's such an honor to be able to work with them. Kasi we all learn. We're all learning from them. And yeah, it's been such a fun set to be in. And it's such a fun cast to be around.
Yeah. Okay, on a side note, just one question. Siyempre, nandun ka sa magiging part nung mga terrorist na atake sa La Playa Roja.
Heist people.
Oh, heist people.
Heist people.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan na yung isa sa mga gagawin mong hostage, yung isa sa mga vloggers?
Makikita po natin yun sa show. Makikita natin yun sa show. If,
naka-incorporate siya?
Yes. Yes. So makikita po natin yan kung ano yung arc ni Ian at ni Jules.
Okay. Nasa chismoso lang ako eh. Okay, at least may aabangan kaming ganong angle. Okay. Emilio! Okay.
Kuya, sobrang saya na makasama itong mga veterans, of course, and the new friends in the industry now. Kasi, syempre, bago lang po ako dito. But, learning from the greats here, like, sina Tito Raymond, Tito Joel, Tito Lorna, Tito Janice, Donnie and Kyle, and of course, Maymay as well. Grabe talaga the professionalism that I observe from them. They take their craft very, very seriously, and it's no wonder why they're so successful. So it's an honor to be working with them. And of course, making new friends with the industry kasi ang dami nila eh. We're like 40. And we really have a lot of fun on our day offs. We all get together, we eat together. And when it's on set, like what Harvey said, it's really game on, professional talaga. And everyone brings their A game.
Yeah, that's true. Well, on a side note, when we say veterans, okay, from here on forward, when we say that word, it just means you guys are living legends, okay? And it's a title that everyone wants to have. It's a good kind of title, okay? Pangalawa, I want to say congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
Kasi back to back acting projects for Emilio Daez. This is one great series to be part of. Napakagaling mo. You're in the right track. Wow! Ganun na. You're in the right track.
Thank
Okay.
you, Rox.
Thanks, Emilio. Lou, before you answer the question, baka may gusto kong batiin dito sa cinema.
Hi po. To my family.
Family na palang tawag sa kanya.
And hello to Sarah. Thank you,
Okay.
Sarah.
Lou, go ahead.
What was the question again?
Kamusta ba yung dynamics here with one another sa mga eksena nyo rito?
Yes.
Lou?
Kinakabahan ako. But to be honest with you, boys, Roja accepting this, I thought I was not gonna have lines, just as like yung first two series ko. So when I got there and I read the script, I was like, damn.
May linya.
She's a badass.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
She has to
galing.
act.
Oh.
It really helped na kasama ko nga yung mga icons. It's such a powerhouse cast, so it helps. And then I just asked, and I just feel grateful because kahit hindi ako magtanong or just like, I ask and then I learn a lot from them during the scenes. But just being around them, the energy, everyone on set, the professionalism, I learned and grew so much from this project. So it's still ongoing. So I'm excited for it.
Yeah.
That I'm
Can I just say, sobrang marami kayong mga eksena na aabangan talaga kay Lou. Sobrang galing niya dito. I was so happy na, I just want to say thank you to Lou for accepting this project. Napakagaling na mga action scenes niya. Sa kanila ni Donnie, sa kanila ni Maymay. Wala pa kayong nakikita kasi sa 3 episodes eh. Pero sa kanila, Lou has a lot of really intense action scenes. And hanga kami sa kanya. Yun lang. Yun ang gusto ko yun.
Nabalitaan ko kasi sobrang galing daw ni Lou. Muntik na palitan yung Roja ng Lou.
wow.
Ganun katindi yung kagalingan ni Lou sa serye ito. No, but looking forward to those scenes, Lou. Abangan natin to. From Sais. Ito na